So over here, you can see that I am in my mail right here. And if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, any of the particular mail right here, then you can see that I can see the HTML version of the email. But what you may also want to do is you may want to view the plain text version. In that case, you can go around onto more right here, and then you can go around onto message body as, and then choose plain text. Once you do that, then what happens is that instead of seeing all the graphics, you see only the plain text. So if you want to, like, let's say, for example, focus just on the text and not the graphics, then you can do this. I can also go around over here onto message body as and choose simple HTML so that it skips out all of the designs and everything right here and just shows out the plain HTML. Go for original HTML, then you got all the design once more. And that is how you can go ahead and then view contents as HTML, that is mail as HTML, or plain text as you like inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.